In this video, I'll show you how to configure automated data sync between Monday.com and Hubspot. Start by signing into your Monday.com account and open the workspace where you want to sync your data. Next, open the board you want to connect with Hubspot, then click Integrate at the top of the board. After that, search for Hubspot in the Integrations Marketplace and select the Hubspot integration. Now click Connect and sign into your Hubspot account when prompted. Review the requested permissions and click Allow to authorize the connection. Next, choose the automation recipe that best matches your workflow. For example, you can create or update a Hubspot contact whenever a new item is added to your Monday.com board, or update a Monday.com item when a Hubspot record changes. After that, map the fields between Monday.com and Hubspot. Match fields such as contact name, email address, company, deal stage, owner, or any custom fields you want to keep synchronized. Now review the automation settings and save the integration. Next, create or update a test record in Monday.com or Hubspot to verify that the information syncs correctly between both platforms. Finally, monitor your automation and make adjustments to the field mapping or automation recipe whenever your workflow changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to configure automated data sync between Monday.com and Hubspot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.